Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near Green Apple Keyboard, click on the switcher. Then tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch the Gboard to your currently keyboard to the Green Apple Keyboard. Now it's finished, so let's check the new keyboard and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.